In this video, we will cover if-then-else statements and try otherwise expressions. The if-then-else statement construct is used for conditional logic, where if represents the condition and requires an expression or formula that evaluates to true or false. The then is what to return if the condition is true, and the else, which is required in M language, is the value to return if the condition is false. Here is an example of an if-then-else expression with the condition that if the underscore variable is greater than 10, then return the text string bigger than 10. And if that's not true, then return the text string less than 10. Like we did for lambda expressions, we can evaluate an if-then-else expression written in the formula bar by wrapping the entire expression in parentheses and then using another set of parentheses to input a value for the variable. In these two examples, I evaluate the same if-then-else expression, first with the number 8, which returns the text string less than 10, and second with the number 20, which returns the text string bigger than 10. If we'd rather not type in the if-then-else expression in the formula bar, we can use the user interface by clicking on File, Add Column, Conditional Column, and then select the headers containing the values and the conditional operator, which can be equals, does not equal, greater than or equal to, less than, and less than or equal to. Note that when using the user interface like this, we do not have to put the text results in quotation marks like we would have to if entering it into the formula bar. This slide shows the output of our if-then-else statement applied to a column of values. Another useful expression is the try otherwise expression, which can be used to provide an alternative result if the formula or function would have otherwise resulted in an error. Some errors cause the entire query to crash, so it is recommended to use try otherwise expressions when running custom functions with unknown data. To use this expression, the keyword try is placed in front of the function or formula, and the keyword otherwise is placed after it. If the expression does not result in an error, the primary expression to evaluate will still be returned. But if there is an error, then whatever value is specified after the otherwise keyword will be returned instead of the error. Here is an example of a try otherwise expression. We created a formula starting with the keyword try and then put 1 plus 1. Otherwise, return the text, sorry, I can't do that. Since 1 plus 1 can evaluate to the number 2 without problems, there is no error and the formula calculates as expected. In the second example, we try adding 1 plus the letter A, which is not possible and would return an error were it not for using the try otherwise expression. So instead of getting the error, we get the text string returned, sorry, I can't do that.